friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we are going to review the Gits Kesar Kulfi mix. So guys, this is a product from Gits. It's a dessert mix here from the house of Gits, and this is a Kesar Kulfi mix with which y'all can make Kesar Kulfi at home. And during these summer times, all of us want to eat something cold and cool, and what's better than a nice cool kulfi, right? So today we are going to make Kesar Kulfi at home along with the Gits Kesar Kulfi mix. So let's start off with the review of the product. Let's look at the packaging and what do we get inside this product quickly. So guys, first of all, this product comes packaged in a cardboard box which is laminated with a plastic film on it. And right here we can see the Gits branding right here. Then it says 3 easy step dessert mix. So it's a 3 easy step dessert mix. In 3 simple steps you'll be able to make amazing kulfis along with this mix. This packet makes a total of 4 kulfis. So makes 4 kulfis. Kesar Kulfi is the name of the product. And like all of the other Gits product, this product also has no added preservatives, no artificial colors or flavors added to it. That is so amazing. Here they have shown the illustration of the kulfi and it just looks so delicious. I hope it comes out to look like this. And then it's a pure vegetarian. There's a pure vegetarian symbol. The net weight of the packet is 100 grams. Then we have on all the 4 sides we have the Gits and the name of the product, which is Kesar Kulfi mentioned. So that is mentioned on all the 4 sides here. Moving on to the back of the packet, we can see the Gits branding again here. And here are the 3 steps they are mentioned. So what you need to do is blend the contents of the pack with 350 ml of lukewarm milk. So 350 ml of lukewarm milk you'll need, and then bring the whole mixture to a boil after blending it well. Bring it to a boil for 5 minutes and keep stirring it occasionally. Keep stirring it so that it doesn't form into lumps. And step 3 is just let the mixture cool and then pour the mixture into kulfi cones and freeze it. So that's how you'll make the Kesar Kulfi. That looks amazing, very simple. It seems very simple, so I can't wait to try it out. Then I mentioned the serving options. The way you can serve this kulfi is basically you can serve it directly as it is, or you can serve it with a 1 or 2 tablespoons of Faluda and 1 tablespoon of rose syrup. So you can put some Faluda save on it and some rose syrup on it as well. Then I mentioned the same steps in Hindi as well here. Here are the nutritional facts mentioned. Right above that are the pandemic. Due to this pandemic situation, what are the safety measures they are following in their factories? That is what they have mentioned here. Like they have daily temperature checks. Masks are mandatory for all the factory workers. Regular sanitization of hands and surfaces every 20 minutes. Food safety system certified manufacturing. So it's a FSSC 22000 certified manufacturing unit. Now what are the ingredients of this Milk Kulfi mix that are there? So 57% is milk solids. Then there is sugar. Then there is almonds. There's pistachios. There's starch to thicken it. There's cardamom powder. There's some saffron flavor. And it also contains some added nature identical flavors. Now coming to the most important part, what is the price of this kulfi mix? So this kulfi mix will cost you rupees 99. So the MRP of the Gits Kesar Kulfi mix is rupees 99. And the shelf life of this product is for 12 months. So you can buy the box, keep it at home. It has a good shelf life of 12 months. So it's not that you buy it today, you need to make it today. You can buy it, you can make it a week after, whatever. Like this has a good shelf life. This product has an amazing shelf life of 12 months. So guys, that is all the information available on the packet. So let's go ahead and unbox it to see what do we get inside. So first of all, we need to tear this plastic outer cover that's there. So I'm just tearing it off with my fingernails. So here we go. First off is the plastic cover comes out, and then we open the box, and inside the box this is the packet of the kulfi mix. Now if you look here, there's a Gits branding inside as well. There's a Gits branding on it. So if you can see it, there's a Gits branding on it. and then it says thank you for buying this Gits pack. Our quality promise. We assure you this pack was in perfect condition when packed. In case you have any complaints or suggestions on the product, please email us at mails@gitsfood.com along with the batch number that is printed on the carton of this pack. We will attend to it promptly because we care. So if you all have any quality issues, like say this packet was bloated or puffed or leaking, then you all can definitely contact Gits and they will definitely get in touch with you all on the same and try to solve your issues. You all can check out the recipe videos on gitsfood.com. So all their product recipes are available on gitsfood.com. If you have any difficulty trying to understand how to make the product, you all can always go visit them and check out how to make it, or you all can always come back to my channel and watch me make these same recipes. So yeah, so this is the packet that we get. The Gits Kesar Kulfi mix is there in this packet. So let's not waste time, let's go and quickly make the Kesar Kulfi mix. We are going to make the Gits Kesar Kulfi right now. For that, what I have here is 350 ml of milk. This is lukewarm milk here. And to this milk, what we are going to do is we are going to add the Gits Kesar Kulfi mix. And we are going to add that into the milk right now. So let's get the Kesar Kulfi mix and add it. So here is the Kesar Kulfi mix that I have. So we need to add this powder, Kesar Kulfi powder here, into the milk, and then we have to gently blend it together. So I'm going to use an electric blender to blend it. So now it is blended together. So now we have blended together. Now what we need to do next is very simple. We just need to boil this milk, and we need to bring it to a boil and then simmer for 5 minutes after boiling it while stirring it continuously. So let's start the gas. Let's put the flame on and let's boil the milk for 5 minutes. So we can see a lot of pistachios and nuts and cardamom and stuff in the milk right now. We can see almond, pistachios, cardamom and some saffron as well in this kulfi mix. So it looks very nice. And we just need to take a boil, let the milk boil right now. And once it boils, we lower the flame and let it simmer for 5 minutes while we stir continuously. Now the milk has come to a boil. Now we are going to simmer it on low heat for 5 minutes while we continuously stir, so that there are no lumps formed here and it doesn't burn as well. So we need to simmer it on low heat for 5 minutes while we continuously stir the mixture. Once we are done simmering it for 5 minutes, we need to pour this mixture into the kulfi cones and then freeze it. So you can see that the milk is thickening up right now. And we'll let it simmer for 5 minutes right now. Simmering this mixture for 5 minutes now. And now we will take it off the flame and let it come to room temperature. We'll need to cool it down to room temperature. And once it's down to room temperature, we are going to shift it to the kulfi molds and then freeze it in the freezer. So now 5 minutes are up. We can see that the mixture has also thickened up a little. Take one last boil. And now we'll put out the flame. The kulfi mixture has come to the room temperature. Now we need to just pour it into the kulfi cones. So here we have the kulfi cones. So we are just going to pour the mixture into the kulfi cone right now. The box says that it makes 4 kulfis, so let's see how many kulfis can come out of it. So we have 4 already here. 5 and 6. We'll just fill it up on the rest of them, which are slightly empty. We'll just fill them up to the brim. And so a little more than 6 we have here. We will just fill it up till the brim. And then it's done. Now we just need to cover it up and keep it in the freezer. So we'll just cover the kulfi cones up with the caps and then freeze it for a good 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours on the highest level of the freezer. And right, so here are the kulfi cone caps that I have. Here it goes. Just covering it up quickly. We have put in the caps and one last cap here just to go in. So yeah, so all 6 kulfi caps are up, and now we'll just go and keep it in the freezer for 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours till it freezes, and then our delicious kulfi will be ready to serve. Gits Kesar Kulfi is ready, and it looks so amazing right now. And this is going to be the taste test of the Gits Kesar Kulfi. Here we go. So amazing and nice. Tastes exactly like a store-bought kulfi. Very creamy and nice. So guys, this is an amazing product from Gits. The Kesar Kulfi from Gits is amazing. So if y'all feel like having a kulfi, y'all can quickly go get yourself a Gits ready mix. Make a kulfi at home. Within 5 hours, your kulfi will be ready to eat. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.